they supposed to know? Like, how many of you have parents, or how many of you are parents, that you think you know what's best for your kid? Like, and it's the first kid. How many people, when they're going to have the child, do research and do this and do that? Now, because in your mind, your voice goes, I know how to raise my kid. I'll just do the opposite of what my parents did. Right? Which is weird, because we turned out awesome. So what makes us believe that doing the opposite did it? But the thing is, the adult understands this is the pain that, whatever I deserve. The little kid doesn't. The little kid is still in here. The little kid goes, Mommy, why are you hitting me? Mommy, why are you hitting me? That's why there's so much trauma, depression, anxiety. Because we're a society that doesn't try to solve our problems and go through discomfort and go through upset. The second we feel discomfort, we go immediately to numb ourselves. Whether it's drinking, smoking this, smoking that, whatever, the whole entire thing. We don't want to be uncomfortable because we've been trained not to be uncomfortable. Uncomfortable is where you have impacts in your life. How many people that you look up to in the world had to deal with uncomfortable to get what they needed to? Why is The Rock's company called $7 Production? Because when he got kicked out of the Canadian Football League and he went back home, he had $7 to his name. Turned out pretty good. It's understanding how our mind works that's awesome. There's so many automatic things.